Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word sunken. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The sunken ship still rests at the bottom of the ocean, almost completely covered by coral and seaweed. Sunken is used to describe something that has descended or settled below the surface, typically in water, creating a lower level or submerged position. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.